Okay, now that I've come to somewhat of my presentation, there's a few tips that I wanted to show you that I don't see being used that often, and that is, you probably don't know that on the keyboard you can hit F5 and then that will start your presentation from the beginning, first slide. But if you hit Shift F5, you can start from your current slide. So let's say you have a 20 slide presentation and you were on 15, and then you have to go back. Well, you close the presentation, like you exit this full screen and you went to normal view, and then you want to go to presentation. You go to the right slide. So let's say you're on 20 and you go back to 15, then you want it full screen again. You don't want it to be all small. So if you hit F5, it'll go to the beginning, and then you'll be jumping through your presentations, clicking, and that looks a little bit not professional. So in order to fix that, you can, from that current slide, 15, you hold down Shift and F5, the presentation will start from 15. Also, videos, which is very important. Even though it does make your file size of your presentation or your PowerPoint larger, the best bet is to include your videos in your presentation, meaning download them offline. Because as Murphy Law states, if something is going to go wrong, it will go wrong during your presentation. Like if you're trying to record or you're trying to take pictures, your camera will run out of battery, run out of space. So, and who knows? Like if you link your video to a YouTube video, maybe the internet will go out for a split second. The link will go broken. So that's where you need to include your video in your presentation offline. Save it and then include it as an offline video. Plus, I haven't seen it. You've seen it in many different classes. Not pointing out one class here, pinpointing one person, but small videos. Like let's say this little video right here, small video in a small format, and they play that, and that's in a big classroom like this, you see a small video. And as you've seen in my presentation with my group, we made it full screen. So make your videos full screen. If it's a good video, you want it full screen, because you don't want something like you're going to watch this video small. So if you go to your video options, you can ask me after class how to do it. So if I click on this video, it is going to go full screen. It's not going to stay small. It's going to go full screen, so you can show your audience what your not play a video like this. As I end my presentation, there's two last little things, and that is the B key and the W key. You're like, what in the world is that? Well, during your presentation, let's say you want to just have your whole audience focus on you. So if you hit the B key, it'll go to the black screen. It'll fade out, and it won't stop the presentation, but it will fade out to the black screen. And if you hit the B key again, it'll return. If you hit the W key, it'll go to white screen. So that is some cool little tips and tricks that you should learn, and hopefully this will help with your presentations in future classes. Thank you for listening, and good luck on your final next week.